Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin 100,000% pump 2023 update. Remember, Binance founder CZ actually said they will keep supporting this coin this 2023 the way they've been supporting Terra Classic Coin in 2022. And Terra Classic project and the roadmap for 2023 is very good, and I hope to see them achieve this. I believe the developers will keep working hard with other top exchanges, and I hope to see top whales coming in. Already top whales have been buying Terra Classic Coin, and the Coinbase also have actually show interest on Terra Classic Coin. By the time we gain a lot of support this year, believe it, Terra Classic is going to hit massively. Terra Classic is going to dominate again, just like last year 2022. When you take a look at coin market cap last year, Terra Classic dominated a lot. Almost most time you see them at the top, the first or second or third coins. People are actually searching on coin market cap. People search about Terra Classic Coin last year a lot, and I believe this year Terra Classic is definitely going to increase, and I hope 100,000% increase in price this year is possible with the way Terra Classic has been gaining massive support from different crypto exchanges and then from different crypto billionaires, especially Terra Classic community. They are not giving up. Binance founder is not giving up. Everybody wants to see Terra Classic coin pump massively this year. I hope that Terra Classic will gain over 10,000 to 100,000%, but many crypto experts believe 10,000% for Terra Classic this year is much possible. But I believe, of course, yes, I believe 10,000% is good. Terra Classic can still hit 100,000%. But if you ask me, I will tell you, even though Terra Classic end the year gaining more 1,000% increase in price, to me it's still okay, because it's not easy for you to see in any financial investment you can do or any investment you can do and you gain such return on investment within a period of 12 months. Let's keep hoping to see that Terra Classic will keep pumping. Let's hope Binance will continue to support. Let's hope Terra Classic project will keep pushing this coin, and let's hope the burning of Terra Classic will also increase massively, because we want to see Terra Classic burning trillions of coins this year. Last year they burned just 37 billion coins within the space of 3 months. I'm hoping for this year for Terra Classic to cross that mark of burning over 1 trillion coins. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.